Hi, this is Brian Reese with Easy Flow Tutorials, and today we're going to talk to you about how to create your own scene for if you're doing live streams and that kind of thing, for your church or for your personal life or in your business. This is how to create your own scene. This is just the sub basics. Okay, first of all, you start out by clicking Create New. Open up 1920 by 1080 because that's usually what they want. Unless, of course, you're using it for, well, stop with 1920 by 1080. Click Create. It opens up a blank scene. Now, in this blank scene, you should have an idea of how you want to build it. Okay, so we go ahead and click the rectangle tool and make a border first by grabbing and dragging from one corner to the other corner across the screen. That should fill up the entire thing. Now, of course, you can't see it yet. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click there, right next to the border. It's black, but you can't see that it's black until you move this line over just a little bit. Alright, so now you have your border. Now you can make the border any color you want by simply choosing the border button there. And then choosing the color picker. We're going to click whatever color you want. Go ahead and click OK. Now we have the color. Now we want a red border. So now we're going to go ahead and put in some text. Click that right there. Say my church family. Go down a little bit there. Use the move tool to move it back up to the top. All right. Now, if we want to jazz it up just a little bit, go ahead and open up the layers. Click on the layer for church family. Double click it. And then add a stroke. All right. Now, we already have it in red. We already have it 5 pixels. And it's already an opacity of 55. Now, if you wanted it darker, you can have it by changing the opacity. We're going to leave it around 50. Alright, not bad at all. Now, next thing we want to do is add a picture, a photograph of some sort. You can do that a number of ways. You can drag and drop from another location, or you can go up to File, Open, and then choose the photo of your choice. Okay. The other way is to go to libraries. I have tons of pictures in my library, and it makes it more convenient. It's easier to get to, just one click. And you have a list of all your photos. Okay, just take it, find the one you want, which is family portrait, click on it, drag it out. I'm going to close this guy up. And of course you want it the right size. Go ahead and grab a corner and pull it down until it's just about where you want it. Using the move tool, just drag it back and click OK to confirm that's where you want it. And you are good to go. Now this is just the basics. You can use this for offering, you can use it for intros, extras, and also for announcements and a lot of other things. So this is just the basics. Just wanted to give you the basics, give you a heads up as far as what you can do, and that it is possible to go ahead and set up some slides for yourself. So you don't necessarily have to pay anybody outside your organization, unless of course that's me. Be happy to do it for you. But anyway, this is Brian Reese with Easy Flow Tutorials. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.